Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm still your faceless advisor. Newness in Canada? File your first tax return and get free money back. This is a simple step-by-step guide for registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, and new grads. RC151 refunds, GST HST credit, nurse deductions explained in simple terms. This is the reason why every newcomer nurse needs to file taxes. Even if you only worked part of the year, filing your T1 return gets you tax refunds in your pocket, GST HST credit payment, Canada Workers Benefit and Provincial Credit, proof of residency for future benefits. Deadline is April 30th or June 15th for if you are self-employed every year. Step 1 is you have to gather your documents. As a new nurse in Canada, you need this key element. 1. Your social insurance number. 2. Your T4 slips from your hospital, clinic, or agency. 3. Your T4A slip, that is, if you receive benefit or scholarship. 4. Proof of arrival date in Canada, and any receipt that you have, such as licensing fee, professional dues for uniform or scrap. You can ask your employer for Form T2200, which lets you claim employment expenses. Step 2. This is how you file as a newcomer nurse. So the easiest for first-timers is to use a free or low-cost CRA certified software. You can use Well Simple Tax, TurboTax, Studio Tax, etc. Or you can choose to paper file. By doing so, you download the T1 package for your province from cra.ca, you file and then you send it via the post office. Or you can choose to hire a tax professional if your situation is a bit complex. For example, if you want to claim foreign income. You don't want to miss this as a healthcare worker in Canada. So you can claim professional fees and nursing licenses renewal, union or association dues, qualifying uniforms and scraps, work-related education, certification and continuing education, medical expenses tax credit. This reduces your taxable income or give you direct credit. Claim every dollar you are entitled to. As a new resident, you need to file your RC151 if you want to get your GST or HST credits. You can only file for one person in the entire household. So if you and your husband are living together, you or the husband can file, but both of you cannot file. You need to submit this as soon as possible after arriving in Canada. Go to cra.ca and search for RC151. Fill every information that is needed and you submit it online, or you mail it to CRA. You have to complete and submit your T1 return. Here is exactly what you need to do. You have to report your T4 nursing income. Claim the basic personal amount. Add all your nurse deductions and credit. Enter the exact dates you became a resident of Canada. Review everything for errors. File electronically and wait for your notice of assessment. As a first-time filer, you mostly receive your check in 2 weeks. Quick tips for busy nurses. This saves time and maximizes your benefits. Keep all receipts in a folder or app. Create a CRA account now for easy access to slips and benefits. Report any foreign income before moving to Canada and check for foreign tax credit. If you are self-employed or agency nursing, track every expense carefully. For nurses in Quebec, you can file both federal and provincial returns. If you need free help, you can use your community tax clinics or the volunteer income tax returns. There you have it. Filing taxes as a newcomer nurse in Canada. Now you know exactly what to do. File your first T1 return confidently. Claim nurse-specific deductions and credit. Get your GST or HST credit fast with RC15. Maximize refunds and benefits. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, if it saved you time and stress, please don't forget to subscribe to Faceless Advisor for more Canada nurse tips. Turn on the bell notification so you never miss a video. Drop your comment. What is your biggest tax questions? I will answer. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next video.